Hi, welcome to a new video about how nature gives us a better knowledge of life. Are you curious for the information? Okay, don't wait more and let's start. It is interesting when scientists discover many facts of the past life on Earth. And this is possible due to nature because humans can study the history of stones, animals, plants, and also pathogens. Paleontologists can know the age of stones by a diverse of methods, but the most common used is called uranium lead. This process employs the uranium-238 and uranium-235, and these two isotopes are unstable, so they generate a change of disintegration, comparing uranium-238 to lead-206, and uranium-235 converts to lead-207. This happens because uranium-238 has a half-life of 4,470 millions of years to convert in lead-206, and uranium-205 has a half-life of 704 million of years to convert in lead-207. With this process, paleontologists can calculate the years of existence of stones. As a fact, the half-life of uranium-238 is almost the same number of the years that Earth has been in existence. To know how old a fossil is, first we have to know that they have their own internal clock, and scientists can calculate it by radiocarbon dating. Because all the organisms have carbon in their bodies, the carbon-12 and the isotope carbon-14 are important to know the years of life. The isotope carbon-14 is created when a cosmic ray crashes against an atom of nitrogen, having 8 neutrons and 6 protons. This isotope is unstable and has a half-life of 5,070 years. So when an animal or person dies, the carbon-14 starts to decompose into nitrogen. When humans study nature, we can know the ancestors of different species. For example, Australopithecus, Homo habilis, Homo erectus, and Homo neanderthalensis demonstrate the evolution of Homo sapiens by calculating the age of their fossils. Something interesting is that some of the actual Homo sapiens have around 2% of ADN of neanderthalensis. Interesting, right? We can also know the climate of Earth and predict the future climates on Earth. So we can conclude that nature is really important for knowing our environment and life. I hope you liked the video and learned something new. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe for new content like this. Bye.